Hi, I would like to describe to you my international activity, which is Tanikling, which is a dance that was originated in the Philippines during the Spanish colonial period. It is performed in groups of four, typically two boys and two girls, with two people kneeling on the floor with these 10 to 12-foot bamboo poles. So they use these bamboo poles to keep a rhythm for the dancers that are up here and also increasing in tempo as the dance goes along. Typically in these dances, the people holding the poles will switch with the ones that are dancing, and so everyone is participating in this activity. So it's become a staple here in the US in some PE programs since it uses skill themes such as hopping and jumping and turning. I have a video here that will show you an example of this dance that you can view. And when it's when it's used here in the U.S., we don't typically use the bamboo poles, but we use other poles such as PVC pipe, or we can also use fabric straps. So I think this is a great addition to a PE program. It's a fun dance to do. It provides some teamwork, and it's also focusing on some skill themes as well. So thank you for listening to my presentation.